Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the creds you have earned from the Takeover challenge in Trust and Press. Okay guys, if you have already completed the challenges, you will get creds or coins, and you can earn creds and redeem them in the hub. And maybe some of you are still confused on how it works, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how we can use the creds or the coins. If you want to use it guys, you need to leave Trust and Press, and then you need to go to the Takeover event. Wait, I'm going to leave this game and I'm going to join the Takeover. I'm gonna leave and we can search for the Takeover event on Roblox. Alright, you can search Takeover, the Takeover, and then you can join the game. And here you can use your creds to buy something from the shop. And this is my balance. I have 49 creds. And then you can go to the shop and buy something from here. And that's how you can use your creds that you have earned from Takeover challenge in Trust and Press. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.